Sometimes we get asked, will I get my own project manager for a project? And the answer to that question is yes, every time, absolutely. We have 14 project managers that work for DFW Improved, and every time we have a project, it's going to be handled by someone within the company that is experienced and knows what they're doing. One of the beautiful things about having a dedicated project manager for every project is that these guys are going to be the ones that are sitting down, they're writing the schedule, they're accustomed to coordinating all of the labor and all of the materials. Sometimes people will take on the role of a general contractor and try to GC a project themselves. And more often than not, when we hear that tale, they get a better understanding of what the value of having someone that does this professionally take care of that for them. Unfortunately, sometimes there's little avenues that you can take a wrong turn with trades or materials, or just surprises that people that aren't familiar with it or they're not accustomed to dealing with. We don't have x-ray vision, we can't see behind the walls, but we've done a lot of work and we have a pretty good understanding of the way the houses are built and what's going on back there that we can't see behind the drywall. And so our guys are going to have a lot better handle, a lot better ability, and they're a lot more versed in it. So when they do get a surprise, they're going to be able to make a very quick response and come up with a solution for our client so that they feel like they're not just left out on Survivor Island by themselves. They've got somebody that they can turn to that's going to do the right thing, that's going to look for the best possible resolution to an issue and make sure that their home's taken care of in the process.